Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. In this video, we'll walk through one of the most powerful tools for hiring managers during recruiting season, the job pipeline. This feature brings every stage of your hiring process into a single, organized workspace, so you can move faster, reduce manual tasks, and hire the right people with confidence. Why is this important? Because great candidates move quickly. Pipeline keeps your entire team aligned and ensures no promising applicant slips through the cracks. To get started, select Pipeline from the sidebar. Here you'll see all the jobs you've created, each with its own set of stages. Think of it as your live hiring board. Every role, every candidate, every stage, all in one view. Adding candidates is simple. Click the Add User button or the plus icon in any stage. Use the search bar to find a candidate by first name, last name, or email. Select one or multiple applicants and hit Add. They'll appear instantly in the first stage of your pipeline. No spreadsheets, no endless email chains. Immediate visibility means recruiters and hiring managers can collaborate in real time, cutting response delays and improving the candidate experience. As candidates progress, simply drag and drop them from one stage to the next. Applied, shortlisted, first interview, hiring manager, and so on. Need to move someone back for another interview? Just drag them backward. This visual workflow keeps everyone updated without extra meetings. Every company's hiring flow is unique. Your pipeline evolves as your strategy evolves. At a glance, you can see how many candidates are in each stage. Identify bottlenecks, like too many applicants waiting for interviews, and act fast to keep hiring on schedule. Use the More menu on any candidate card to view their full profile, send messages, move them to another stage, or disqualify if necessary. Because Loubby AI integrates with features like one-way video interviews, AI assessments, and smart task reminders, you always know if a candidate has completed required steps before moving them forward. That insight helps you make faster, data-driven hiring decisions. A hiring process that's faster, clearer, and more collaborative. Hiring managers spend less time chasing updates and more time evaluating top talent. Start streamlining your recruitment today. Log in to Loubby AI, open your job pipeline, and watch how effortless organized hiring